Tadasana. Tadasana, also known as the mountain pose. It is the basic standing asana. Start by standing straight and keep both your feet together. Raise your hands only slightly with your palms facing your thighs. Keep the heels firm. Tighten every part of your body, the legs, the knees, and the thighs. Tuck in your stomach and tighten your elbows. Remember not to turn your neck. Broaden your chest and breathe normally. Stay for 25 to 30 seconds. Tadasana strengthens the back and corrects bad posture. Now slowly relax your body. You need to do this at least 3-4 times in a week to get the benefits of the asana. Urdhva Hastasana. This is also called the upward salute. Starting from the Tadasana, stretch your arms over your head with the palms facing each other. Remember to breathe normally. Stay for half a minute. This pose teaches you to stand correctly and makes mind alert. Also, it stretches the belly and improves digestion. Now slowly bring your hands down and relax. Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana, or the tree pose, is a standing asana that improves balance. Stand in Tadasana. Bend your right knee and holding your ankle with your hand, place your right foot on your inner left thigh. Keep both hands on your hips. Stretch your arms up and join your palms. Stay for 40 seconds to 1 minute. It can get challenging initially, but stand firm and focus on point of the floor to maintain the balance. Slowly bring your hands down and return to Tadasana. Now keep your right leg straight and bend your left leg. Do the pose on the other side. Vrikshasana strengthens the bones of the hips and legs due to the weight-bearing nature of the pose, and it builds self-confidence. Utkatasana. In this asana, we pretend to be sitting on a chair, and therefore it is also called the chair pose. Start by standing in Tadasana. Stretch your arms upward and join your palms. Bend your knees and look straight ahead. Do not forget to breathe normally. Stay for 5 to 15 seconds. This asana strengthens hip flexors, ankles, calves, and back. Also, it stretches chest and shoulders. Remember not to lean forward while doing this asana. Now slowly come up and bring your hands down and relax your body. Uttita Trikonasana. Uttita means extended and Trikona means triangle. Stand in Tadasana. Spread your legs 2 to 3 feet apart and your arms sideways. Stand with toes pointing forward and palms turned down. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Bend sideways to the right and place your right palm on your right ankle or on the floor. Stretch your left arm up. Look up at your left hand's fingertips. This is Uttita Trikonasana. Stay for 15 to 20 seconds on each side. Now slowly come up and turn your feet straight with your toes pointing forward with your arms raised on each side. Now turn your left foot out 90 degrees and your right foot in slightly. Do the pose on the left side. This asana shapes the legs and strengthens the ankles. It improves the flexibility of the spine and corrects the alignments of the shoulders. It also helps to relieve in indigestion and acidity. Slowly come up and place your feet straight with your toes pointing forward. Return to Tadasana and then relax your body. Virabhadrasana. Virabhadra was a mighty warrior. Hence, this asana is also known as the warrior pose. Standing in Tadasana, spread your legs 3 to 4 feet apart and your arms sideways. Stand with toes pointing forward and palms turned down. Turn your palms up, raise your arms and join your arms over your head. Keep your elbows straight. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Turn your upper body and hips to the right. Bend your right knee to form a right angle. Now look up at your fingertips. Stay in this pose for 15 to 20 seconds on each side. Do not lean forward but stay firm in place. Remember to breathe normally. Now first, lower your head and then come up. Turn your body and foot to the front. Do the pose on the left side. This asana increases stamina and develops the lungs and chest. It also strengthens the shoulders and back muscles. Now slowly come up and return to Tadasana before relaxing your body. Uttanasana. Uttanasana is also known as the intense forward stretch. Stand in Tadasana. Bend forward and touch your toes. Tighten your kneecaps and thighs. Exhale and bend further. Hold your ankles or place your hands by the side of your feet on the floor. Breathe normally. Hang your head loose and let it touch your knees. This is Uttanasana. Start by staying in the pose for 20 seconds. Slowly increase the duration to about 1.5 minutes. This asana helps to remove fatigue and improves concentration. It is a great exercise for the heart, stomach, liver, and kidneys. Slowly come back to Tadasana and then relax your body. Adho Mukh Shavasana. This pose is also called the downward facing dog stretch because it resembles a dog stretching its front legs. Standing in Uttanasana and rest your hands by the side of your feet on the floor. Bend your knees and take a big step back, one leg at a time. Make sure that the distance between your feet is the same as it is between your palms. Spread your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms and legs. Bring your head to the floor. The body forms an inverted V. This is Adho Mukh Shavasana. Stay in this pose for 30 to 60 seconds. It tones the leg muscles and strengthens the ankles. It also refreshes the brain. Gradually lift your head off the floor. Walk your feet towards your palm and stand up in Tadasana. Relax your body. Indulasana. Begin in Tadasana. Step your feet together with your big toes touching and your heels half an inch apart. Sweep your arms up above your head. Now press your hands together in a prayer. Press the tips of these together. Inhale here in neutral. Exhale to bend over to your left. Keep your feet rooted and your inner core engaged as you breathe into your right side body. For a further option, spin your chest towards the ceiling and look up. Inhale to neutral to exit. It strengthens the side abdominals and intercostals and also lengthens your side body. Now repeat on the opposite side. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar, an age-old yogic practice. It is a comprehensive exercise which contributes to mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. There are 12 basic steps of Surya Namaskar. These steps vary with different types of Surya Namaskars. The following steps, specific to type C, are performed at a slow pace. Step 1. Pranamasana. Stand in an erect position facing the sun with palms folded near the chest in Namaskar. Keep the feet together and breathe normally. Step 2. Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe in, raise the arms upward and bend backwards with the face pointing upwards and towards the sky. The back should be arched while bending backwards. Step 3. Padahastasana. Exhale and keeping knees straight, bend down till the head touches the knees. The hands should touch the floor on either side of the feet with the palms flush against the ground. Step 4. Ashwa Sanchalana Asana. Inhale and stretch the left leg backwards and balance the leg on the toes with the heel raised upwards. The right leg is bent at the knee and the head is lifted upwards to face the sky while the hands remain stretched, the palms flush against the floor. Step 5. Parvatasana. Exhale and keep the palms flush against the ground. The right leg is pushed back to stay parallel with the left leg. The hip is raised with the head bent downwards to face the navel. Step 6. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale and lower the hips. The toes, the knees, chest and face touch the floor while hips are slightly raised. Step 7. Bhujangasana. Exhale and stretch arms. Lift the chest so the back arcs and the head is bent backwards to face the sky. Step 8. Parvatasana. Exhale and perform as in Step 5. Step 9. Ashwa Sanchalana Asana. Inhale and perform as in Step 4. Step 10. Padahastasana. Inhale and perform as in Step 3. Step 11. Hasta Uttanasana. Inhale and perform as in Step 2. Step 12. Pranamasana. Bring back the hands in a folded namaskar to the chest and breathe normally as in Step 1. The steps are repeated once again using the opposite leg in steps 4 to 9. One round of Surya Namaskar thus consists of 24 steps. The ideal regimen requires an individual to perform 12 rounds. It is recommended that Surya Namaskar be done slowly with the complete awareness of breathing.